Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix VAL51 error in Valorant. Alright, let's begin. First, restart the Vanguard service. Open the Start menu, type Services, and press Enter. Locate VGC, right-click on it, and select Restart. Once done, restart your computer. After restarting, run Valorant as administrator. Right-click the Valorant desktop icon, select Run as administrator, and confirm with Yes. For a permanent fix, right-click the icon, go to Properties, Advanced, check Run as Administrator, then click OK, Apply Changes, and click OK again. If the error still occurs, clear logs and web cache. In the System tray, right-click both Riot Client and Riot Vanguard, then choose Exit. Press Windows R, type Sent Local App Data Sent, and press Enter. Navigate to Valorant Saved, then delete the logs and web cache folders. Restart your computer again and launch Valorant to see if the VAL51 error has been resolved. So that's basically how you can fix VAL51 error in Valorant. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.